Hello everyone. Have you ever guessed how a dialogue in Hindi or Bengali would sound if they're translated in English? If not, the following video is just for you. Let's see how good you can guess.
Time cannot remove me. Time is from me. I am not from time. Guess the character.
हमको मिटा सके ये जमाने में दम नहीं, हमसे जमाना खुद है, जमाने से हम नहीं.
What's your name, Basanti? Guess the character.
तुम्हारा नाम क्या है बसंती?
Now what will happen to you now, Kalia? Try to guess it.
तेरा क्या होगा कालिया?
When this 2.5 kg hand falls on a man, it doesn't rise, it dies. Guess the character.
जब ये 2.5 किलो का हाथ किसी पर पड़ता है ना, तो आदमी उठता नहीं, उठ जाता.
If she is in love with me, she is going to turn around. Turn. Guess the character.
आज अगर ये तुझे प्यार करती है तो ये पलट के देखेगी. पलट. पलट.
Never mind, senorita. In big places, a small thing happens, huh? Easy one. Guess it.
बड़े बड़े देशों में ऐसी छोटी छोटी बातें होती रहती हैं.
Something is fishy there. Now you guess it.
कुछ तो गड़बड़ है दया.
Who is this? Who didn't turn back and look at me? Who is he? Guess the character.
कौन है ये जिसने दोबारा मुड़ के मुझे नहीं देखा?
Pride of Maharashtra. What? You move now? Guess it.
महाराष्ट्र की शान शिवाजी, क्यों सिर्फ नाम नहीं हिलाना.
Starting from nursery, in half pant I am teacher. In full pant I am head teacher. You guess.
नर्सरी से शुरू, हाफ पैंटे गुरु और फुल पैंटे महागुरु.
It said that if you want something from your heart, then the whole universe will try to help you to get it. Guess it?
कहते हैं अगर किसी चीज को दिल से चाहो तो पूरी कायनात उसे तुमसे मिलाने की कोशिश में लग जाती है.
It feels bad when a friend fails. It feels worse when he becomes fast. Guess the character.
दोस्त फेल हो जाए तो दुख होता है, लेकिन दोस्त फर्स्ट आ जाए तो ज्यादा दुख होता है.
I'm not scared of a slap, sir. I'm scared of love. Guess the character.
थप्पड़ से डर नहीं लगता साहब, प्यार से लगता है.
They can only remove a true patriot from the army, but can't remove the patriotism from his heart. Guess the character.
एक सच्चे देशभक्त को हम फौज से निकाल सकते हैं, लेकिन उसके दिल से देशभक्ति नहीं.
As much as you try in life, something or the other will be left behind. So here, let's enjoy the moment. Guess it?
जितना भी ट्राई करो बनी, लाइफ में कुछ ना कुछ तो छूटेगा ही. तो जहाँ है वहीं का मजा लेते हैं.
Memories are like box full of sweets. Once you open it, it is impossible to take just only one bite. Can you guess the character?
यादें मिठाई के डिब्बे की तरह होती है. एक बार खुला तो सिर्फ एक टुकड़ा नहीं खा पाओगे.
From what did you buy such a bad dictionary? Guess the character.
कहाँ से खरीदी ऐसी बकवास डिक्शनरी?
While we step, the station start from there.
हम लोग जहाँ पे खड़ी होती ना स्टेशन वहीं से शुरू होती.
The same behavior as one emperor should do to another emperor. You guess it.
वैसा ही व्यवहार जैसे एक सम्राट को दूसरे सम्राट के साथ करना चाहिए.
You run behind devil and devil behind you. Too much fun. Guys, guess the original dialogue.
आप डेविल के पीछे, डेविल आपके पीछे. Too much fun.
In the column that contains religion, we write Indian in bold and capital. Guess the character.
रिलीजन वाला कॉलम जो होता है उसमें हम बोल्ड और कैपिटल में इंडियन लिखते हैं.
Won't leave until you break. Guess the character.
जब तक तोड़ेंगे नहीं तब तक छोड़ेंगे.
I let her go because she's my love. If she would be napped by obstinacy, she should be in my arms. Now you guess the character.
अबे मोहब्बत है इसलिए तो जाने दिया. जिद होती तो बाहों में होती.
Mother taught me that any business is a good business and there is no religion greater than business. Guess the character.
अम्मी जान कहती थी कोई धंधा छोटा नहीं होता और धंधे से बड़ा कोई धर्म नहीं होता.
If Surya don't want Mumbai police, cannot catch him, not even whole India. Guess the character.
সূর্য না চাইলে সূর্যকে ধরার ক্ষমতা মুম্বাই কেন সারা ভারতবর্ষের পুলিশের নেই.
Not a detective or an investigator. I'm a truth seeker. Guess the character.
ডিটেকটিভ নই, সত্যান্বেষী.
Sometime I feel like God. Now, guess the character.
कभी कभी लगता है कि अपन ही भगवान है.
Life cycle needs pedal, even if you don't get a medal. Guess the character.
जिंदगी की साइकिल पे तो मारना पड़ेगा पैडल, चाहे मिले या ना मिले मेडल.
Don't think about these people. No one is more powerful than you. In this world, the biggest warrior is the mother. Now guess the character.
इन लोगों के बारे में मत सोचो, कोई तुमसे ज्यादा ताकतवर नहीं. इस दुनिया में सबसे बड़ा योद्धा माँ होती है.
Oh brother, beat me, please beat me. Is any joke going here? Now guess it.
ओ भाई मारो मुझे, मुझे मारो. नहीं ये मजाक हो रहा है.
The son of the king will not become the king. The king will become the one who deserves it. Now guess the character.
अरे आज राजा का बेटा राजा नहीं बनेगा, राजा वही बनेगा जो हकदार होगा.
Take the sweets up, you will get sold in 200 bucks. Yes, ma'am.
मिठाई की दुकान पे लेके जाऊंगा, 200 में बिक जाएगा.
We all are going through a very difficult situation as we lost our two amazing actors of all time, late Imran Khan sir and late Rishi Kapoor sir, along with a great footballer late Chuni Goswami sir and writer late Devesh Rai. Apart from these, hundreds of people are losing their lives every day in this pandemic. So, let's keep a 30-second silence to show our condolences. May their souls rest in peace. After all these, a huge thanks to all the social workers who are selflessly serving their country in this hard time. And also, thanks to Adamas University for providing quarantine center for the needy ones. After all these, a huge thanks.